as the global temperature climbs. Lake ice is shrinking. The duration of ice cover decreases, and therefore the duration of open water season will increase. Here in Laurier, we have Cold Region Research Center, which is a great facility to study cold region. In this research, we are using remotely operated vehicles to sample water quality under the ice.
We have a week of fieldwork planned to use a variety of devices. One of them we're testing out today is a ROV in the pool here at Laurier.
We are going to Delaunay and Northwest Territories. We will work with local people, indigenous people, and they are actually keen to work with us to co-create this science together to understand the changes that are happening in their environment.
The pool time at Wilfrid Laurier University is really paramount in training and getting comfortable with the controls. So that will allow myself to be more confident in controlling the device up north under the ice where we'll be able to see it.
It has different attachments on it to collect water samples, to collect sediment samples, and most importantly, a 4K camera to look at very detailed imagery of the bottom of the ice. If it's not too cold, we can get the UAVs in the air and fly them around, take imagery of the lake from above, get an idea of the spatial distribution of snow on top of the ice. The applications are enormous in terms of duration, which ice roads can be available for shipment of goods into remote communities.
And how these changes will impact the productivity and quality of lakes. So we are hoping to connect the dots from the top to the surface to the bottom of the lakes and understand the environment better.